So we're back at the boat over here now. We have been here for 2 weeks, and you can see all these white marks over here. This is the marine text that I applied for the Genoa Track bolts. So this is where the Genoa Track is going to be sitting. We experienced some leaking after we removed the winter cover at the location of the bolts, the Genoa Track bolts. So I took it out and I oversized the Genoa Track bolt holes, and I filled it with marine tex, a product probably somewhat similar to using epoxy, a thickened epoxy or something like that. And I've used it before and it worked pretty good. It seals it up pretty good. It's strong, it's hard. So now I'm just spot sanding the locations. I'm going to reinstall the Genoa Track here, but I'm just spot sanding some locations so it's as flush as possible to the deck. I'm just spot sanding these locations for the high spots, removing some of the high spots, some of the loose items. And I'm going to apply some butyl tape at these locations and putting the Genoa Track back on, and then putting the bolts through after I drill this, of course. So I got to set up the Genoa Track in place, mark where the holes are going to be drilled, and then drill them, take it out, and then check it again. So it's going to be a little tedious, not tedious, but repeating the process several times. Okay, I'm measuring the thickness of the bolt that secures the Genoa Track on the deck. So I need 6.2 millimeters drill bit. Obviously I'm going to go a little bit bigger. Not exactly. I'm going to see what kind of bits I have. All the bits are in imperial, and I really don't feel like converting it, so I'm just going to check it up against the dimension that I have right now. This is 6.3 millimeters. Let me see if I go for that one a little bit bigger. 6.3. So this is 7 millimeters. I think I'll probably go with the 7 millimeter bit. This here is the track for the Genoa. I was checking it out, just sort of lining it up, so that if I line it up, if I start lining it up, it doesn't seem to, it seems to kink off over there. The track itself seems to be, there's a slight curvature to it. But even then, as I put it down, even when I put it down this way, and this is the way the curvature is, it's actually curving this way, just very slight. It still doesn't line up, so that means I'm going to have to kind of force it into place. If I turn it around the other way, and I line it up, I get the same thing. It's actually, I think, even more, I think it's more noticeable from that side. I checked it up against the Genoa Track on the other side that's installed. I never took apart. And there is a big kink when I put this one beside that one there. I mean, you can see that there is curvature over here on the deck. There's some form of curvature along here. So when I put a string line, not really a string line, but you can see that going from end to end, these two, at least over here, they're not exactly in a straight line. So that's the reason why I think I'm getting the Genoa Track doesn't, it's not straight on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow the existing hole locations as best as I can. Obviously I can't get exactly, and I'm just going to have to drill one at a time and try and bend the track into its position. Just drilling a little pilot hole right now. I'm not drilling the full width of the screw. Oops, you can see down. Well, it's a start. Trying to install this by catching all the holes. So if I line it up with the one at the back over here, I don't know, maybe it's okay, but it looks like it's over here. I think I'm going to be too far if I go straight from end to end. This one, this one. Yeah, so I'd be drilling my hole right over here, which is not what we want. So should I have maybe could have drilled this one here further down that, further to a starboard, but not really. It's almost centered on the existing hole. I think that's probably my best bet. Okay. So now I gotta start like bending it a little bit. So I'm drilling, initially I was thinking of drilling just a pilot hole at each location and then going with my final drill, my final bit, the exact size. But in order for me to try and bend it, I gotta drill one hole at a time and make sure it stays in that position. So I marked down more or less the center of the holes that were coming from below. And right now I can see the center, my center line this way more or less. I'm just going to drill over here. Maintains the curvature. Whoa, good thing the wind seems to be not too bad for this. I should have brought the vacuum. Okay. Except I got some screws upstairs that are longer than others. Some of these screws, you could see this one's longer than this one. These are more or less the same. And then it bottoms out. Basically the nut is a closed head nut, a closed end nut, and it bottoms out. So I'm trying to see if I can figure out which are the worst case situations. I think this is the longest one. There's another couple long ones down there, and maybe the deck is not the same thickness all the way through. Well, most likely. I gotta figure out which one goes where. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the track back on, put the screws, the bolts on through the track. Ouch, these are hot from being outside, so I gotta put a washer, actually a double washer, a flat washer, and the locking washer, and this is the nut that goes on the bolt. And I gotta make sure they don't bottom out. So I'm gonna put the track back on, and then I maybe just have to switch a couple of them around. It's a little bit harder to see this way. Okay, so anyways, I put the Genoa Track back on. I put all the bolts through, and I checked on the other side of the cabin to see if there was any that were longer or shorter, and I flipped some bolts around. I think I have it pretty good. So now I'm just putting in the butyl. I'm going to surround the holes all with a little bead of butyl, and then we will be putting the track back on and all the bolts. Next. It's been an exhausting day again, but I got it done. I installed the Genoa Track, so that's done. Tomorrow I'll just check on the tightness of the bolts again, make sure they're all good. And I installed the cabinet over the galley, so all in all, it's a good productive day. And Canada tied 1-1. First point in World Cup event. Not that I follow it too much. That's good.